Why does your scanner show the P0551 engine code? What does it mean? P0551 is a diagnostic trouble code for power steering pressure, sensor circuit range, or performance. The P0551 engine code for indicate your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has received an erratic or implausible voltage signal from the power steering pressure sensor, which is outside the expected operating range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty power steering pressure sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, low or contaminated power fluid, failing power steering pump, clogged hydraulic lines. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Audi, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.